Today on Mike Attempts, dryer vent cleaning. A dryer's lint trap doesn't catch everything, which is why the vent should be cleaned out yearly. Let's do it. Unplug the dryer and slide it out. Use some pliers to remove the flexible duct. The longer the vent duct, the more lint that will get stuck. Inside the dryer looks pretty good. A dryer vent cleaning kit comes with a brush and flexible rods to adjust the length as needed. I've got a short run, so one section is all I'll need. Screw the brush into one end and the other end goes in a drill. Before beginning, locate the dryer exhaust outside. Tape your vacuum hose to the exhaust vent and turn it on. The larger chunks have already been sucked into the vacuum. Turn on the drill and run the brush down inside the duct. Nice and clean. The brush can also be used to clean inside the dryer if needed. Turn off the vacuum and disconnect the hose. Reconnect the flexible duct and you're done. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.